So today I'm gonna be showing you guys what's inside the box, like how many pieces and like how small the pieces are and how time consuming this could be, because I won't be able to put it myself at the moment. It's gonna take too long. But this is for 8 years plus. It's 268 pieces and it's a retro gaming console. It's a 3-in-1 type thing. Let's see. And yeah, this is how like the box looks in the photos. And we're gonna open it together real quick. And I really like how a lot of these Lego ones you can open it from here. So let me put a little bit of pressure here and open it up. So here it is. I managed to open it. And it's actually not that bad as like other ones that I've seen. The pieces are pretty big though. If you have like an 8-year-old might lose them, so be aware that you can store these. Actually, never mind. These are very tiny. Look at this. These are like very tiny. You might lose some of these. The booklet is actually very thin compared. Like I've reviewed some where the booklets are like this thick. So this one's very thin. It probably wouldn't. Well, if a kid and if you help them, like an adult helps them, maybe I'm estimating a week or two. Depends how much time you guys put into it, like every day. But this is how the products look, and it has here, and then it has another. Never mind. It has more booklets. I didn't see that. So it has all these booklets. That depends, I think, what you want. So the booklet for this one, a booklet for this one. So these first two are thin. This is the thickest one, and this is to do like for this one. And yeah, so it has all that. So it's really nice for kids. That it's a good like sorry in the camera. It's really good to like build stuff. It's good for their brain and everything. And it's not like a big thing. It's not gonna take up a whole lot of space. Like there's some that take up a lot of space. This one seems like it'll be a decent small size. That it'll take time to do, but it's not like way too small either. So I completely do recommend this, but just be aware of like small pieces if you have smaller children around you, anything of that sort. If your kid's prone to like easily loses things, you might not be able to complete the full thing of what you plan on doing. But if you're careful and manage the pieces well, um, they're pretty good to have. It's a pretty good product to have.